Hi guys, I'm Inda here from ProPhysio Plus. Today we're going to be talking about neck pain and why this is important for everyone, because sometimes in our lifetime we have or could experience neck pain. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Okay, let's jump in. What causes neck pain? So our neck is made up of a complex system of interlocking bones called vertebrae, ligaments, discs, muscles and nerves. These structures convey strength, stability and support during movements of our head and neck, which are essential in everyday function. So, however, when you get an excessive overload on these structures, it can result in stiffness and pain. Can neck pain be a sign of something serious? Also, understanding how the neck pain is occurring is crucial to understanding if the pain is serious or not. So if symptoms worsen with intensity or duration and do not settle, or you start to feel pain traveling down the arms or see an increase in headaches, then would consider seeing a health practitioner or GP.
Hey guys, up next we've got some common Q's and A's, questions and answers provided by Aarvi. And these are questions we get in the clinic often, or common questions popped into Google. Question number 1, what causes neck pain?
There's plenty of causes, but I'm just going to list a couple. One of them includes poor posture, repetitive movements, so when you're moving around too much, and especially being in a sedentary position and you're doing strenuous work in that position, that can cause pain, stress, trauma and degeneration, especially as you get older.
Question number 2, when should I be concerned about neck pain?
All right, so if symptoms continue to worsen or you don't see any improvement or it starts to affect your everyday function, then I'll definitely consider getting outside help.
Cool. Question number 3, how can I relieve my neck pain?
There's multiple ways, but a couple of them are adding in more movement throughout the day, improving your stress levels, improving posture, and the biggest one is strengthening the deep neck muscles and postural muscles. There's more information written in the blog post, so please do check it out.
Great. Question number 4, what is the best treatment for neck pain?
This may be a high debate, but I'm going to go down the strengthening pathway. So strengthening the postural and scapular muscles so the neck and shoulders are able to hold the head up properly, and over time will improve the posture.
Great. Thanks for that, Aarvi. Those are our common Q's and A's for neck pain. I hope you guys found it really helpful.
All right, so a great test for neck pain is quite simple. It's just looking at the general range of movement of the cervical spine, which is the neck. So I'm just going to get Lecky here to show us a couple of the movements. So all I'll get you to do is look down and look down to the floor. Beautiful. And then coming back to normal. How'd that feel? Any pain?
It's fine.
Any discomfort or anything like that?
No.
Okay, good. And now we're going to look up to the roof. Good. Coming back to normal. How's that?
A bit of stiffness at the end, but
okay.
Pretty mild.
All right, and next we're just going to go left. Good. And then right. Good. How did left and right feel?
Right stiffer.
Yep.
I've got more movement to the right.
Okay, and one more. We're going to go left here, left shoulder. Good. And then we're going to go the other way. All right, perfect. So we just looked at general range of movement of the neck there. It gives us an insight of how the neck's actually moving. In most cases, when people do come in, they usually have a stiffness on one side, or they find more difficulty doing one of the movements than the others. And now I'm going to dive straight into an exercise that can help with most people. All right, so this is a great exercise, especially most people are stuck in the office, or we spend most of the day in that forward-facing position. We're always looking down. Any kind of work is always in this environment, so our neck tends to look down, especially these days, smartphones are coming out. We're always looking at the smartphone. What I like to do is 2 simple movements that we did from that test, and one of them is standing cervical extension. So all I'm going to get Lecky to do is look up to the roof and then come back, and then repeat the process. We're going to do it about 10 times, and when he does this, I want him to try and go a little bit further each time. Good. And as you notice, Lecky's getting a bit further than the first one, which is great. Beautiful. Couple more. Nice. And then we're going to head over to the mat, and we're going to lie down on your backside. Yep. So for this one, similar to the range of movement stuff we did earlier, all I want Lecky to do is look left and then look to the right. Good. And repeat 10 times each way. So you do 10 on one side, 10 on the other side. So the reason we're doing this lying down, because when you're standing, we've got gravity. So gravity pushes everything down. So when you're trying to turn, gravity is actually making it more difficult. So when you do it lying down, you actually get more range. And then when you go to stand up and you repeat the process and see if the range is improved, normally the muscles don't realize what's happened and they loosen up and you get further range. So thanks to Andrew Locke and Shant for this exercise. Good. And let's say you've done 10 on each side. We'll get you to stand up, Lecky. And we're going to just compare the range of movement we did in the test earlier. We're going to do those. So we'll get you to look up. Good. How'd that feel?
Pretty good.
And then we'll go left and right. Good. And the other. All right. Got further range on the right. So great. Thanks for that. That's a great exercise you can do pretty much anywhere. So especially if you're working on the computer or you're just working, just do, when you're standing there, do 10 looking up and just coming back to normal. And then you can do the one when you get home, lying, looking side to side to help open up the neck. All right, there you have it. We've discussed the causes and some great strategies to help with your neck pain. So please let us know how you went with it. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, and we'll talk to you again soon. Make it healthy simple.